Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equal to u to the power of 6, because if I put this one gone here and here, they will cancel about 1 over 2 and 1 over 3. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the s equal to 6u to the power of 5 du. So this one I will put in here and here. The s we change by this one. So this one, number 6 multiplied by 1 over 2, we have u to the power of 3. This one, that is about number 2. So this one we can do about factorization by u square. Later that, we simplify by u square. And now number 6 I will put in here. U to the power of 3 I will put in here. Next, we need to add about negative u square. Later that, we need to put back positive u square. Later that, we need to put negative u, positive u, negative number 1, positive number 1. And now we can do about factorization. This one by u square. This one by u. This one we keep the same. So u minus 1, u minus 1, they divide by this one, so we have number 1. And now we have like this. And now we have the final answer. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. The next one we have u square over 2. The next one, that is about u. The next one we have ln of the absolute value of u minus 1. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So we put the root of number 6 for the both sides, and we have u equals to like this. And now we need to put this one to change for u. That is the end. Thank you for watching.